First, visit iReaShare.com and head to the Android Data Eraser page. You can scroll down to check all the features and the step-by-step guide in detail. After that, click the Back to Top button. Click the Try for Free option to download it on your computer. Double-click the iReaShare Android Data Eraser setup to install it on your computer by following the step-by-step guide. Once finished, click Finish to close setup. To delete everything from Vivo phone, please run the software on your computer. Connect your Vivo phone to your computer via USB cable. The software will quickly recognize your Vivo phone. If prompted, please click OK or Allow on your Vivo phone to make sure the connection is established. After the connection, you can erase all data from Vivo phone by following the steps below. Click the Erase icon, then click Medium to opt for an erasing level from low level, medium level, and high level. After that, type Delete into the blank, tap Erase at the bottom, and click OK on the pop-up window. To erase your messages completely, you need to set the iReaShare Android Manager app as the default SMS app on your phone. The software will start to erase your data. After erasing data, the program will overwrite your data to make sure all your data will be wiped thoroughly. Since we have chosen high level, it will overwrite all the data 3 times on your phone. It will take some time, please be patient. Once done, the software will remind you to factory reset your phone. Just follow the guide on the interface to do it. Then set your default SMS app back on your phone's pop-up window. Click OK, then click Continue, and set up your Vivo phone.